So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy Moment video not loading, playback and the storage troubleshooting guide. So guys, to fix the Birdfy Moment videos not loading, so guys, first of all, outdated app version frequently struggle to communicate with the cloud server and causing the lag or loading failure. So you open the App Store or the Google Play Store and search for the Birdfy and install any available updates. Then guys, improve the Wi-Fi signal. So guys, the Birdfy camera rely heavily on the stable upload speed to transfer the footage to the cloud. So you move the camera. So temporarily bring your Birdfy camera inside, place it near your router. Then test loading and the moment video to see if a weak signal is blamed. Then check the frequency. So guys, basically Birdfy camera supported to 2.4 GHz network. So you verify that your phone and the camera are connected to the router 2.4 GHz. Okay. Then router guest mode. Some user on community forums have solved the connectivity and the playback error by placing the Birdfy camera on the detected guest 2.4 GHz network to reduce the bandwidth competition. Then guys, power cycle and the hard reset. So for power reset and the hard reset, first of all power off your camera using the power button if accessible, and restart your home Wi-Fi router by unplugging it from the for 30 seconds. If you are still struggling, locate the reset button under the silicone cover on the camera. Press it once to soft reset the device and try again. Then guys, check for the server side delay. Sometimes gaps in your movement timeline are delay videos processing are caused by the server side traffic. So tap the screen to manually refresh the movements page or view the timeline log from the previous day to confirm the clip are actually being saved. Okay, these are the things that you can try to fix this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.